Welcome back from spring break, you AP European History scholars. As we embark on fourth quarter, we are going to try some new things and incorporate Canvas, which is our new learning management system that we're rolling out this quarter as a district. And so when you log in today to your Google Classroom page, you will see that I have posted for you a link that will take you to the Canvas login page. And so here you can see I'm going to click and open the Canvas login page. You will log in with your regular login, not your email. So I am going to log in. My password is I love my AP students. When you log in, you will see here your courses that you are enrolled in. And so I am going to click on AP Euro. And this is going to bring up your page, which will look a little bit different than what mine looks like. And so I am going to click here on Student View so you can see this from your side to see what it looks like. Our first attempt at using Canvas is going to be through discussion. So one of the things I want to do this quarter is to engage you guys in more discussion, but to do it in a way that you guys can organize and gather your thoughts, practice the writing process, and then be able to engage with each other, both in class but also outside of class, and think at a higher level. And so when you are on Canvas, hopefully your screen looks like this. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a link for discussions. And when you click there, that's going to bring up our first discussion. So prior to spring break, we were discussing the causes of World War I. And after spring break, here this first week, we're going to review the causes of World War I and talk a little bit about the war. And then we're going to examine the Treaty of Versailles that ends World War I. There are different opinions about the usefulness and productivity of this treaty, and so we are going to look at what some people would consider to be the flaws and what some people would consider to be the strengths. Oftentimes the Treaty of Versailles is cited as a reason for the outbreak of World War II, and that is something that we will talk about and discuss later. So you will see here discussion number 1, and you will click on that and it's going to bring up my introduction for you. And so there are a couple of resources here for you to look at. The first one is the controversial piece, and the second one is from the Sherman packet. And so the first thing you will do when you click on this is you're going to open up the controversial piece, and that'll open up in a new window for you, and you will see there are a number of documents here that relate to the Treaty of Versailles. There are differing viewpoints. Here we see a German view on the treaty, and so you'll read through that, and I want you to take some notes in relation to the questions that are posed here. The second thing is in the Sherman reading, so you'll click there and that's going to open up the PDF. It's going to go a little bit slow as that's a large file. When you open this up, you will scroll down to the bottom, and we are going to see here at the bottom Peace and Diplomacy by Arthur Walworth, and he evaluates the Treaty of Versailles, and this is a secondary source. And so you're going to read both of these packets and then answer these questions. When you respond to a discussion thread, you will hit the reply button down here. You will not be able to see responses until you have posted a response. And so I'm going to type in a test response. And I will submit that. And then I can see my other nonsensical replies as I was messing around with this earlier. And here you can see that I'm a test student. Okay, then you should be able to reply to other people. All right, so we'll talk about in class about how to reply to others and how to engage in conversation and digital literacy to make sure that your responses are appropriate for the setting and the academic quality that we're looking for. If you have any questions, please see me in class or shoot me an email. Thank you.